Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kamlesh Kulkarni, Head of the Department of Aerospace Engineering, uh, School of Engineering and Sciences, MIT Arts, Design and Technology University, Pune. The Department of Aerospace Engineering was established in 2017, and since then we have focused on the excellence in the various domains of aerospace engineering such as aerodynamics, aerospace structures, propulsion, flight dynamics, avionics. We are putting continuous efforts in creating professionals in aerospace engineering domain. The department offers bachelor's in technology in aerospace engineering, master's in technology in aerodynamics and aerospace structures, as well as PhD in aerospace domain. The intake for the BTech aerospace engineering is 60, and intake for masters of technology in aerodynamics and in aerospace structures is total 12. The department has well qualified faculty members with the academic backgrounds from various NITs, IITs and reputed international universities who work in various domains of aerospace engineering. Together we work for the holistic development of our students to excel them in their career at national and international levels. We encourage our students to work in the cutting edge technologies in the domain of aerospace engineering such as avionics, space technology, AI and ML, etc. The department is well equipped with various laboratories in different domains such as aerodynamics, aircraft structures, avionics, control, and propulsion. We have Center of Excellence in Computational Fluid Dynamics (CFD), and we also have Center of Excellence in Hybrid Rocket Propulsion Engine. We believe in transforming passionate students into skilled engineer in the domain of aerospace engineering. If you are passionate to explore the sky and convert your ideas into reality, this is the place for you. We hope to see you as a part of department very soon. Thank you.